Hey everyone, I'm Aarti. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Ace English Academy. I will be sharing videos on the basics of English grammar. I hope you will enjoy watching my videos. If you like videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for future notifications. So let's start.
So let's start today's video, which is on the sentence worksheet. In this video, you will find out three worksheets. Worksheet number 1, which is on subject and predicate. In this worksheet, you have to identify the subject and predicate in given sentences. Here are 10 sentences. You have to find out what is subject and what is predicate in the sentence. So you can just note down all the sentences, solve them, and then check your answers in the next slide. So take your time to solve all the sentences and then check your answers. Subject and predicate. So in this, I have used red color for subject and black color for predicate. So this will help you to identify your subject in all the sentence. So let's discuss 2-3 sentences. The entire team loves to win games. So the entire team here is subject and loves to win games is a predicate. So do you remember how you have to find out the subject in a sentence? First, we have to find out the verb in a sentence. When you can find out the verb in a sentence, you will ask question of what and who, and the answers for that what and who will help you to find out the subject in a sentence. The entire team loves to win games. Who loves to win games? The entire team. This is subject. Heather and Nicole are leaving the party at midnight. Who are leaving the party? Heather and Nicole. So this is subject. The little boy in the black shirt likes to read books. Likes is a verb. Who likes to read books? The little boy in the black shirt. So this is subject. And similarly, you can solve all the 10 sentences and check your answers. Okay. Moving on further to the next worksheet. Worksheet number 2. Simple, compound and complex sentences. So here I have given you sentences and you have to find out which type of sentence is this. Okay. So you can solve all these 12 sentences. Okay. And then check your answers in the coming slide. So for this, I guess you have watched my previous video in which I have taught you about the simple, compound and complex sentence. So you can recall that and solve these sentences. Okay. So take your time to solve these sentences and then check your answers in the next slide. The grass is green. It has not rained today. So what is in between? Though. So though is a subordinating conjunction. So if you remember, I have taught you that when one independent and one dependent clause are joined together with the help of subordinating conjunction, that is complex sentence. Okay. So the grass is green though it has not rained today. So this is complex sentence. There was no juice left. simple. This is simple sentence. Independent clause, subject, verb, and complete in its thought. Okay. Similarly, solve all the sentences and check your answers. Okay. Worksheet number 3. Declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory sentences. So you have to identify the 4 types of sentences here in this worksheet, and I have given you sentences. Read the sentences and then identify which type of sentence is this. Moving on, see here. Moving on now, I will come to the answer slide. You take your time, solve, and then check your answers. I will discuss 2-3 sentences with you. Can we go to adventure water park today? So this is question, very easy. You can easily identify with the help of that sign of interrogation, question mark. Second is, the student wanted to go on a field trip. Simple statement. We call it declarative or assertive sentence. Be on your best behavior for next 2 weeks. So this is advice. So you remember imperative sentences? Whenever command, advice or request is made, those sentences are called imperative sentences. Okay. Similarly, solve all the these sentences and check your answers here. Okay. I hope you find these worksheets very helpful. I hope these worksheets help you. So thank you for watching. Keep supporting. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Ace English Academy, for better future. I will be sharing more videos on the basics of English grammar. I hope you will enjoy watching those videos. Thank you.